Want to give your eyes a break and save some battery on your Android device? Activating dark mode on WhatsApp can help you with that. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable WhatsApp dark mode on your Android phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Use always dark mode. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three-dot button on the top right corner. Select Settings. Go to Chats, tap on Theme, tap on Dark Mode, then hit OK. Method 2. Use System Settings. To do this, swipe down the control panel. Under the brightness control bar, tap on Dark Mode. Then open WhatsApp. Tap on the three-dot button on the top right corner. Select Settings. Go to Chats. Tap on Theme. Tap on Use System Settings. And there you have it. Now you have learned how to use dark mode on WhatsApp to reduce some eye fatigue while using WhatsApp in a dark environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.